Today we'll show you how to register your signature in the Creative Minds app. To get started, open the application on your device. If the app requests permission to send notifications, please allow it, as this will help you stay informed about important updates and messages. Once the app opens, you will see the login screen. Here, carefully enter your username and password using the information provided to you by Creative Minds. After entering your credentials, tap the Login button and wait a moment while the system securely signs you into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see the main screen of the application. At the top right corner, tap the three-line menu icon, then tap on your name and select My Profile. On this screen, you can review all your personal information and confirm that everything is correct. Next, scroll down to the Signature section. Here, tap the Upload File button to upload a photo of your signature that is already saved in your phone's photo gallery. Select the image, and your signature will appear on the screen. Finally, tap Save Signature. The system will display a confirmation message indicating that your signature has been successfully saved. And that's it. Your signature has now been successfully registered in the Creative Minds app. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions or need additional help, please don't hesitate to contact the Creative Minds team. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.